Welcome back to today's video. We'll be diving into a very special topic that's been turning heads in the global coin market, the top 3 most valuable UK 20 pence coins in different conditions that are currently making waves in auctions and selling for big dollar amounts. Let's get started. First up, the UK 20 pence from the year 1984 in the rare and highly prized black shade condition. This coin is not just a collector's dream but also a surprising gem in today's auction market, where it is commanding remarkable values in dollars. If you're someone who loves discovering hidden treasures in old coin collections or wants to know how rare coins can turn into real wealth, then this is the video you don't want to miss. Let's begin with a look at the history and background of this unique coin. The UK introduced the 20 pence coin in 1982 as part of a wider decimalisation effort that modernised British currency. By 1984, the coin had become a regular feature in circulation. Made from cupronickel and bearing the second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold Machin, this coin may appear common at first glance. But certain varieties, especially those with unusual colorations like the black shade tone, have caught the eye of experts and collectors around the globe. The 1984 20p is now being appreciated not only for its historical significance but also for its rising numismatic prestige. The 1984 UK 20 pence black shade coin stand out in the crowd? First and foremost, its stunning visual presentation. The black shade condition is not a result of dirt or wear, but often due to a rare chemical toning process or long-term environmental exposure that gives the coin a sleek, dark tone finish. This blackened appearance, when paired with sharp detailing and minimal wear, creates a visually dramatic contrast that instantly grabs attention. Furthermore, collectors adore toned or uniquely shaded coins because they reflect a special journey, something that sets them apart from millions of ordinary examples. Add to that the charm of Queen Elizabeth II's regal profile and a bold heptagonal design, and you have a coin that's as visually compelling as it is historically rich. While millions of 20 pence coins were minted in 1984, only a very small fraction exist today in black shade condition with sharp features intact. This rarity is multiplied when the coin remains in extra fine or uncirculated condition. These black-toned coins have become highly coveted by collectors who are specifically seeking unusual patinas and rare mint states. Because of this, coins like the 1984 20p in this condition have transformed into investment-grade pieces, drawing attention from seasoned numismatists and newcomers alike. The rarity, when combined with a unique visual style, is a powerful combination that significantly drives up collector demand and market value. Let's look at what this coin is doing in today's auction market. Recent sales and listings across collector forums and high-profile auctions have seen the 1984 UK 20 pence black shade condition coin reaching figures that surprise even experienced collectors. In top condition, especially those that have been verified by grading services or preserved in mint packaging, these coins can fetch anywhere from $5,800,000 depending on demand, presentation, and competition at the time of auction. Coins with deeper, more consistent black toning and fewer blemishes are especially desirable, often igniting bidding wars that push prices even higher. This demonstrates just how strong the appetite is for unique versions of otherwise standard coins, and the 1984 black shade 20p stands right at the center of that growing trend. If you're a coin enthusiast or someone new to the hobby looking to enter the collector's market, here are some golden tips for dealing with this valuable piece. First, always handle rare coins with care. Use gloves and soft surfaces to avoid damaging the finish. Second, if you come across a 1984 20 pence that appears darker than usual, don't clean it. This might destroy the natural toning that gives it value. Instead, consider having it professionally graded. Next, stay active on collector forums and auction platforms where these coins are being traded. Many rare finds are often discovered in old family collections, coin jars, or bulk lots, so keeping your eyes open and doing your research could lead to an exciting discovery. And lastly, building relationships in the numismatic community can help you gain insights, spot trends early, and know the right time to buy or sell. The UK 20 pence coin from 1984 in the rare black shade condition is a true standout in the world of coin collecting. It combines rich history, striking visual appeal, and genuine rarity into one compact piece of metal that has been turning heads and opening wallets in today's market. Its demand is rising, its value is growing, and it is fast becoming a prized possession for collectors across the globe. Whether you already own one or are now inspired to search for it, this coin proves once again that small change can lead to big treasures. So keep collecting, stay curious, and who knows, your next rare coin could be hiding right in your pocket. Next up, the UK 20 pence from 1989, a coin that, even in bad condition, is creating waves in the auction market and catching the attention of collectors globally. This is no ordinary coin. Despite being worn, tarnished, or aged, this particular 20 pence piece is commanding surprisingly big dollar values, and the demand is only growing stronger by the day. Stay with us as we explore the history, unique features, market value, and why even coins in poor shape can become treasured collector's items in today's dynamic coin world. The 20 pence coin was introduced by the Royal Mint in 1982 to fill the gap between the 10 pence and 50 pence coins in the decimal currency system. It was welcomed by the public for its smaller size, lighter weight, and practical use in daily transactions. By 1989, the 20 pence coin had firmly established its presence in British currency. That year, the coin featured the stunning second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin, a regal and timeless design that holds deep historical significance today. While millions were minted, many of these coins have since disappeared from circulation, been worn down through everyday use, or lost altogether. That's where the magic begins, because when rarity and nostalgia collide, the result is true collector gold. The 1989 20 pence coin apart? It's not just its age or its monarch design, but its distinctive visual appeal, even in bad condition. These coins, often found with heavy circulation marks, surface wear, edge softness, or fading luster, still carry immense charm. Collectors aren't just looking for pristine examples, they are also hunting for real, circulated coins that tell a story. The heptagonal shape, the copper-nickel composition, and the historical weight of the Queen's profile still shine through even the worst wear. These coins are living artifacts, and every scratch or tarnish tells a part of Britain's monetary history. Despite being in bad condition, the 1989 20 pence coin is now considered rare in many coin circles. Why? Because collectors are no longer only seeking the perfect coin, they are seeking completeness in their collections. A 1989 20 pence in bad condition is much harder to find than one might expect, especially as more people hold onto them as keepsakes or sell them off in lots, never realizing the hidden value within. For serious collectors, completing a year-by-year collection, including coins in all conditions, adds authenticity and emotional richness to their portfolio. That makes even the worn-down coins highly valuable, and they are increasingly being snatched up at auctions and private sales. The 1989 20 pence in bad condition is commanding surprisingly strong dollar values. Depending on the degree of wear, market interest, and specific coin details like toning or edge variation, these coins can sell anywhere from $3,400,000 in international markets. Some heavily worn examples that show rare patina or historical signs are fetching even higher prices when placed in competitive bidding environments. Collectors in the UK, US, Canada, and Australia are especially drawn to these pieces, boosting demand and lifting the coin's reputation as a sleeper hit in the numismatic world. So what should you do if you're a collector or even just someone new to this hobby who's found a 1989 20 pence coin in your drawers or jars? First, don't throw it away or dismiss it due to its worn condition. Clean nothing. The aging on the coin adds character and could increase its value. Store it in a soft, dry pouch and keep it away from moisture or acidic paper. If you're considering selling, you can list it on reputable platforms like eBay, specialist coin auction sites, or consult with a local numismatist for valuation. And if you're buying, look for authentic 1989 pieces. Even in circulated or poor condition, they are becoming harder to come by and are growing in demand quickly. The 1989 UK 20 pence coin in bad condition is a rising star in the rare coin universe. With its deep historical roots, unmistakable design, and growing scarcity, this humble coin proves that even worn coins have real power and serious value. The current auction market shows us that beauty doesn't always mean perfection. Sometimes, the most worn items carry the richest stories and the highest demand. So if you come across a 1989 20 pence with scratches or wear, hold on to it tightly. You might be holding a rare gem that collectors around the world are actively seeking today. Next up, the UK 20 pence coin from the year 1987, a coin that is generating remarkable attention across global auction platforms, even when it appears in very bad condition. That's right, this coin, often overlooked due to wear and tear, is now becoming a hot item for collectors, traders, and investors. It might be scratched, tarnished, or even barely legible, but it is still holding incredible value in the dollar market today. In this video, we'll take you through its history, its fascinating features, and why this specific coin has become a powerful piece in today's numismatic world. Let's begin with the historical background of the 1987 20 pence coin. The 20 pence was first introduced in 1982 as part of the United Kingdom's decimalisation program, which was a revolutionary shift from old-style currency into modern coinage. By the time 1987 arrived, the coin had already become an everyday part of British transactions, featuring the beloved second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. This portrait, elegant and regal, had become a symbol of stability and tradition. The coin's seven-sided heptagonal design also stood out from other denominations, making it instantly recognizable. The 1987 mintage saw millions of coins enter circulation, but today, those very same coins, especially ones that have visibly been through the journey of time, are in high demand for their character, age, and rarity. The 1987 20 pence coin is its unique features, which continue to draw interest from collectors. Despite being in very bad condition, each coin tells a story. The design on the reverse side, created by William Gardner, features a crown Tudor rose, a brilliant nod to British heritage and monarchy. Even when worn down, this rose, partially faded or heavily patinated, carries a powerful presence that reflects decades of circulation and national history. The coin is composed of cupronickel, giving it durability, but also allowing interesting color changes and natural toning over time. These physical transformations make each coin unique and even more desirable to those who value authenticity and age as markers of historic beauty. The term very bad condition may seem like a negative. But in the world of numismatics, this is not always the case. A coin in bad shape may be exactly what a collector needs to complete a full condition range or a specific year set. And let's not forget, millions of these coins have either been melted, lost, or kept in private collections, reducing the number available in the public market. Today, finding a genuine 1987 20 pence coin that has gone through natural wear and still exists as a historical relic is becoming more uncommon. That rarity boosts the demand tremendously. Collectors recognize the value of coins that have been part of everyday life, that have exchanged countless hands, and have stood the test of time. This is exactly the kind of emotional and historical value the 1987 20 pence coin brings to the table, even in the worst physical condition. So what about its performance in today's auction market, especially in dollar value? You might be surprised to hear that even a very worn 1987 20 pence coin can command between $2,500,000 depending on market demand, historical toning, and visual appeal. Some heavily circulated examples with appealing discoloration or battle-worn textures have even sold for more when the bidding gets competitive. Remember, collectors are not just buying metal, they are buying a story, a piece of royal history, a design era, and a rare survivor of the monetary world. With increased interest from international collectors, especially from the United States, Australia, and Canada, the dollar value of this humble British coin continues to rise, even if it looks far from perfect. For all you collectors out there, whether you're just starting or have years of experience under your belt, here are some valuable tips. If you happen to find a 1987 20 pence coin in your old drawer, a coin jar, or even from a thrift market, don't ignore it because of its bad condition. In fact, that could be the very trait that makes it valuable. Handle it gently, avoid cleaning it, and store it in a safe, dry location to preserve what's left of its character. Look into professional grading if you plan to sell, and most importantly, stay updated with online auctions and collector groups where these coins are frequently sought after. Often, the coins you consider least valuable turn out to be the most wanted in certain collector categories. The UK 20 pence coin from 1987 in very bad condition is proof that the world of coin collecting is not just about shine and perfection, it's about history, rarity, and demand. This humble coin, once used for everyday purchases, now stands as a valuable asset in the rare coin community. It has survived decades of circulation, held the legacy of a monarch, and is now entering a new chapter as a prized collectible commanding strong dollar values in auctions around the world. Whether you own one, want to find one, or are simply fascinated by the stories coins can tell, the 1987 20 pence is a shining example. Bad condition and all of how even the most modest objects can hold incredible worth. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates from the world of rare coins and collectibles. There's always more to discover, and who knows, the next treasure could be right in your pocket. See you in the next video.